It's a great day to be in Virginia, I tell you that, cause it is hot as I don't know what, and I never wear shorts, bro. Like, Alan, how you wear shorts?
All the time. It's comfortable. I wear them in the winter time.
What's up, YouTube? It's boy Pop Clutch. We are back with another video, and guess what? I can finally scream! Because guess what? We are in the country on 800 acres, and nobody hear what I'm saying. So we can finally have a good, quiet video in the country and do a review on this beautiful 1500 right behind me. Now it is aired out right now. Y'all see me do a truck review on this truck before, but guess what? This time he came back way harder, and he said it's $100,000. Is it, Alan?
It's pretty close.
Pretty close.
Say 100, 120.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do what y'all do best. Follow me on Instagram at Poppy Clutches, and guess what? I am giving away my 2001 Chevy Tahoe that is right here. For only $20, you guys have the chance to enter to win my 2001 Chevy Tahoe with 30x16’s on the FTS lift kit. So buy y'all tickets right now. The link is down below. Go get your tickets because somebody will be taking that Tahoe home. Make sure you guys go to my website down below as well. Buy your t-shirts, your hats, your rock lights, your wheel lights. Everything is down below in the description as well as in the comments. But I feel like I'm dragging this intro. Let's get right into the video, and I'm gonna explain what we got done to this truck behind me because this thing is a beauty, y'all. So let's go.
No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, must have heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them get in line.
Golly. Pat the gas one time. Oh my God. He about to let the air up, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. What in the world? This truck is not the same truck I just did like 6 months ago. This thing is huge now. Oh my God.
All right, what's up? My name's Alan. I've been on the channel before, and y'all saw it before. If you haven't, go check out that video. It was on a Cognito in 30s. But I brought Poppin up here to check out what I've done to it. Brought him up to the farm. So this is my 2018 Chevy Silverado. I solid axle swapped it with Dana 60s from a 2008 Ford F350. I put it on a full airbag suspension, so it's 15 to 16 inches. It aired down, and then it airs up to 28. So I've got 14.5 inches of travel. From Carbon Technologies for their bags. I went full hydro steer, so the hydro assist. It's powder coated Illusion Lime Time. That's that color green. So I got bodyguard A2 bumpers front and rear. I got a new grille coming on the way, new headlights and taillights on the way. Fully full length, 4-length with the radial arms. So I drew this design up with the radial arms. And Nate at Mud Digger Off-Road, the people that built that big Bronco, he was like, all right, let's bring it to life. So that's what he did. This cradle lights up. It's got a rock light in it, so at nighttime that cradle will actually fully light up. It's like a box, so that diamond will light up. Running 30x16 max forged. The Locos, this is a custom one-off wheel. You can no longer get it in the 30x16. I got floater caps to cover my lugs, running 4-inch spacers all the way around.
Whoa.
4-inch spacers all the way around.
No, I just realized your lugs are covered, bro.
Yeah, that's why I got 2 sets of caps.
That's insane.
Yeah, so
that is different. Yeah.
Yeah, those things weigh like 10 pounds a piece. Like, you got to put them on with 2 hands. And then I'm on Fury's new 44s. So at full air height, I clear them by 4 or 5 inches. So got to get all the interior done. Waiting on those pieces to come in. Got to get all my audio for the bed redone, and lighting has to be put in.
Are you going to make your bed raise up like Stuntons, or?
I'm debating on it. I don't know. I don't want to steal all of his thunder, but it's going to be the same type of style almost. I'm not going to put subs in the rear. He's got, I think, 4 12s and a blow through, and I don't have enough power. So that hydro steer, like the actual pump itself, takes up where the second alternator would go on these 5.3s. Like, I don't have enough room. So I have an upgraded alternator, but not enough power. So, and the reason for that is because my air system is 2 5-gallon tanks and 4 Valair compressors. So I'm pulling quite a bit of powder. Or, you know, everybody else is running, you know, 1 or 2 air compressors, where I'm running 4 in a custom built basket. So I'm pulling a lot of power, not including the lights, not including the audio, not including my starlights. So like, I have to have it on to even move up and down. I'm running so much power. So it's it sucks being a 1500, but at the same time, I'm one of the only ones that did it. So
you ready? All right, y'all. So look, this is the first drive that I finally get driving after he didn't put his lift kit on it, and Things are pretty good. We're gonna first let him drive, then I'm gonna be able to drive it, which is a privilege because I finally get to drive like something this big, especially a 1500, right?
Yeah, biggest 1500 other than Black Ice Busting, other than Luke.
Hey, Harley.
So,
What are those lights on for right there?
which ones? Oh, all my lights? Yeah, every sensor in these new trucks needs the, when you take the axles and the drive shaft, everything else, nothing plugs in, that's what you get.
Oh God, you scared me a little bit, buddy. If you want to get on lights off your dash, what you got to do?
I gotta get it tuned and get them all cut off and cleared.
If you're not gonna be able to hear me very, very, very clear, it's because this man have his exhaust cut and like this thing is loud. So let's go to drive this monster truck, see how loud it is. Let's see how good it rides. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, how big it is, like you can see very clear, like very, very clear. I feel like you're in a normal vehicle, but how wide these wheels are, oh my God. I feel like it's like all over the road right now.
Yeah, and you'll hear it. It sounds like it's gonna break apart, but that's because I have powder on my rotors. So
So like, what type of noise it make?
You know, like the bearing sound, or like a like you feel like your spacer's about to come off. Yeah, no, that's just because I have powder on the rotors.
What do you have to do to make it have a smoother ride?
Get a better road. That's about it. The reason it's riding so rough on this road is because it's a no lane back road.
So explain for the people that don't know what hydro steer is. What is that?
So instead of having steering stabilizers.
Oh shit, Alan. It's a car.
Yeah. So instead of having steering stabilizers like normal solid axle trucks would, this one has a hydraulic ram mounted to the front of it. So so instead of using steering stabilizers and using like the angles and stock power that a normal steering wheel would work, this one has this one has a hydro assist ram. So when you turn the wheel, it pulls that, like hydro pulls it.
Are you talking about that noise? Oh,
that's just, it's powder on the rotor.
So how much longer is it gonna take for it to come off?
I have no idea.
I know that your exhaust is cut, but what's bad about it is I smell it coming through the AC because it's cut. Because you got no cats.
No cats. Yeah. And it's right underneath your seat. That's another bad thing.
What's the furthest you think you'll drive this? What's the lift like?
30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah. This drive we're making right here, maybe a little farther.
So Alan, you telling me you spent almost $70,000 to not be able to take this on a long road trip?
Well, like I said, I didn't build it for that reason.
But then you're not gonna have the enjoyment of it though, bro.
I mean, I still get enjoyment out of it. It's not me driving it that brings me the enjoyment. It's me being at the shows with everybody.
And you know what somebody told me is I said I don't like to put miles on my Yukon. You know what they said? Because they asked me how many miles on my Yukon. I said I brought it at 115. In 2 years I put 15,000 miles on it at 130. So they said, why you don't drive it? I said, I don't know. He says like having your girlfriend and not having sex with her and letting the wait for the next man to do it. I was like, oh wow.
Yeah, but it's a little bit different, you know. You know, this is a fully built SEMA rig. It's not just some everyday token lifted truck. You can't drive this thing over 70.
You
no
can't?
way.
What's the fastest you got it so far since you got it back?
58.
We going 57 right now, so one more mile?
No, that's not true. That's not true. So I don't have any speed sensors. So this is only running off of my transmission sensor. So for what the drive shaft is spinning, it's telling me we're going 55, but in reality we're going like 46, 47.
I don't think y'all understand, like in person you have to see it. This thing is like taking up the whole road, bro. Like the wheels is not up under the fenders at all.
A semi truck, depending on the size, will run anywhere between 100 and 102 inches in width. I'm at 108, so I'm 6 inches wider than any other semi truck on the road. On the top of the
what the hell is that car doing, bro?
Yeah, that's, like I said, I'm not worried about my safety. I'm worried about other people.
Yeah.
But
I thought they was about to go up under the truck just now.
They would have. That would have been game over.
That was about to be GG's for them, bro.
Yeah.
I got that from Tay. Tay said GG's. That was gonna be GG's right there, wasn't it? That was gonna be GG's.
Yeah, and a lowered Civic.
Yeah, that'd have been GG's. Bro, look. He like, bro, why is that truck so big?
Motherfucker, I
I've been mortified, fortified, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them slide. Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war. Tell that nigga he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, my nigga.
This is the moment of truth where I am about to finally drive it. You ready, Alan?
No.
Bro, I know how to drive, bro. Alan put us on top of a curb. God, please. Oh my God, bro. I can feel how heavy the wheels are on the steering wheel. Bro, if I get a ticket.
Remember how wide you are.
Driving this
You ain't gonna get a ticket. You're on private property.
No, I'm saying when I take it on the main road.
You're only
Look at the cop right there, bro. Bro, why when I get in the driver's seat, all the police come out?
Because they just switch shifts. Because
So
we gotta turn that way. We gotta follow them.
We gotta go that way?
Yeah.
That's back to your house?
Yeah. Look at the chances you pull out in front of a cop.
You're lying.
Nah.
Swear to God.
You better stay in the lines.
Swear to God. You swear to God.
I guarantee you that was a cop.
Bro, don't tell me that, bro.
I guarantee you.
I'm about to get a ticket in your bro.
Like I said, I would put your hazards on. Right there in the center on the steering wheel.
Oh, Alan.
We'll see what he does.
Bro, Alan, I'm not gonna lie. This go all over the place, bro.
I told you. It's weird.
Bro, Alan, it's not that bad, bro.
Go ahead.
Alan,
You're
bro.
good.
Bro.
You're good.
Yo, Alan.
Just try to keep it in line.
Bro, Alan, bro. You have to, bro.
Just try to keep it in line.
Alan, you have to take it back and tell them to let you be able to go at least 20 fucking miles per hour, bro.
You can. You saw how fast I was going. On the line.
Bro, what the oh, hell no. I can't drive this back to your house, bro.
No, you're not. You're just driving up here to the school. Go ahead.
Oh, shit. I never had beef with a truck right now. Like, we literally having a whole boxing match, and this mother is winning. It's like I'm fighting Floyd Mayweather right now. Like, he beat me up.
If it really starts walking, all you got to do is just slow down. If it really starts walking, just slow it down.
Bro, how did you just drive this far?
Now, hold on, wait. If y'all go back in the video to when we first got in it, he said, it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. Riding in it, it's not that bad.
It's not bad riding it, but damn, you driving it. Holy shit, bro. What the f? So you saying all hydro steer do this, bro?
Hydro
Tell them to take this off. My mom told me, take it back and put it back.
Just go straight and we're going to go around the bus loop.
No, Alan. You from here, you take control,
hold
bro.
On,
you want me to move up some so I can be on flat ground so I don't put too much, you know?
There we go. That works.
Okay, good. That was scary. I gotta record you getting in here, bro.
I'm not getting the fuck back out.
Bro, I should record you getting in here, bro. What will it take for them to make it where it's gonna be a smooth ride, bro?
Cut all the frames and mounts from my hydro steer.
You don't want to do that? Yo, Alan, yo, you wildin', bro. You're wildin'.
Oh, I'm straight. Hunter, take that move. That bed moves.
This thing is crazy. Got American forces.
Oh yeah.
Jeez. What you mean the bed move?
This, you know, the bed like goes crazy shit.
What you mean?
Hunter, hit that bed shit.
The bed goes up.
Watch it. Hey, was I lying though? What's that bed?
Oh my golly. This thing ain't never seen dirt. That's insane.
This is the dirtiest I ever seen it. He repainted like twice a year, the whole frame, everything.
Got powder coated lift. I don't even know what kind of lift that is. Bro, what kind of lift kit is this?
It's a 6-inch super lift and 3-inch body.
God. You did all this yourself?
No, I took it off to get it upholstered and stamped, but
I saw like the lift and the bed and stuff. You did that yourself?
All that I did myself. But yeah, it's dirty.
Yeah, that's
shit.
crazy, bro. That's crazy. I like this. It's neat. All right, y'all, so look. Supposedly, somebody about to do a burnout. I didn't tell him to do it. He asked to do it for the video. Oh, my God. Yeah. Jeez. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Did I just hear you try to do a burnout? Huh? Did I just hear you try to do a burnout?
You're right, you gonna burn.
All right, let me see you do it again.
Hey, try that shit off.
tons.
The only thing you left over here is pig fluid.
That's 4K tons, old truck.
Yeah. Oh my God, they picking up the truck, y'all. They picking up. Bro, they picking up the truck, bro. Bro, he not making it back to North Carolina.
Hey, he was definitely popping.
Oh, police! Gotta go. Gotta go. As you can see, the police just pulled up. Everybody leaving. I see y'all. Uh-oh, it's a second cop. Time to go. He got back up. Time to go. Oh, excuse me. I apologize. Gotta go. Bro, the police coming. Gotta go. Let's go. Sheesh. Where's Alan, bro? Bro, what is Alan doing? Bro, Alan is wilding. He is tripping.
Hey,
Alan, you trying to get me caught?
I'm kind of mad I didn't get a feature.
What am I gonna get you caught for?
Huh?
Every time he had a wheel lights on.
You was drinking and driving, dog.
He told me at the mall to turn my wheel lights on. But that idiot told me about my wide tires, not about my wheel lights. He told me I can give you a ticket for wheel lights, not having your license on you, your squat, the tent.
You don't got the license on you?
No.